Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your icons are not showing up correctly when you're running Windows 10 searches in the Start menu. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just self-clicking the Start button one time. Type in run, so R-U-N. Best match should come back a run, or should be one of the best matches here. So you want to go select that. And now into this field, you want to go type in sysdm.cpl. So again, sysdm.cpl, no spaces at all, and then left click on OK. Now that we're in the System Properties window here, you want to go left click on the Advanced tab. And now underneath Performance, where it says Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory, left click on the Settings button. Now where it says Save Taskbar Thumbnail Previews, right here, you want to go ahead and check mark that. And then left click on Apply and OK. Close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. So hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. Next thing you can go ahead and try would be to open up the Start menu again. After you've restarted your computer, type in run, R-U-N, open up the run field again. Now I'm going to have something in the description of videos for the run field, and I will have this in the description of videos so you guys can just copy it directly out of my description. Shouldn't be too hard to find it. So you want to just copy it directly from my description of my video. It should start with ms/ or minus settings, and you just want to paste it in here. So Control V to paste it in, or right click and then paste, however you prefer, or you can just type it into whatever works best. Left click on OK. Now where it says make everything bigger, change the size of apps and text on the main display. Click where it says change the size of apps and text on other displays. Now underneath where it says make everything bigger, if you have the ability to, you click inside the drop down here. So if you were not being managed by an organization, you have a drop down here. I'd recommend adjusting it back to 100%, which is recommended, and then you just close out of here to save the change. So pretty straightforward on that side as well. So just offering an alternative method for you. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.